Chapter 8, Vocabulary. Confused and misused words. Correspondence, correspondence, means a communication by exchange of letters. Correspondence that ends in ENTS are those who write letters. They kept in touch through correspondence, the ENCE, which means they kept in touch through letters. All volunteer correspondents write 5 articles a day. All volunteer people who write letters write 5 a day. Currant and current. Currant spelled A-N-T is a small seedless raisin. Current, C-U-R-R-E-N-T, is up to date, or it's talking about electricity. I have an easy recipe for currant jelly. That is the seedless raisin, and it's spelled C-U-R-R-A-N-T. Mariana enjoys writing about current events, C-U-R-R-E-N-T. That means up-to-date events. The cells convert solar energy into direct current electricity, and that is talking about electricity, so it's spelled C-U-R-R-E-N-T. Device. D-I-V-I-C-E is a machine or a gadget. Devise is to invent or to plan. That's D-E-V-I-S-E. Arturo has a device that will automatically turn the lights on. That means he has a gadget or machine. Can you devise a way to surprise them? D-E-V-I-S-E. It means can you invent a way to surprise them, or can you plan a way to surprise them?